This video is part of a series designed to guide you through completing your embroidery project. If you haven't already, check out the introductory video to get started. The stem stitch is an extremely versatile stitch. To do this, begin from one end on the outline by coming up through the fabric and going back down a little away from the first point. This little line is your first stitch. Now bring your needle up a little away from the first stitch on your outline and go back down in between the 2 points of your previous stitch. To do this, gently push the previous stitch and make your next stitch. Now keep doing the same thing all the way till you finish your outline. Make every stitch and then finish the next stitch between the previous stitch. Continue doing this for all the little lines you see as well. This is how the stem stitch works. Every stitch finishes between the previous stitch. Now we continue the stem stitch for the letter S. For lettering, you can choose to work with 2 strands if the letters are small. Here we can go ahead and use 3 strands since the letter S is big. Start by making your first stitch. Now bring your needle up a little away from the end of the first stitch and go back down between the 2 points of your previous stitch. Continue doing this all along the outline, where every new stitch is finishing between the previous stitch. For stitching letters, especially on curves, keep your stitches very small to achieve a smooth look. On straight lines, you can make longer stitches, but remember to use smaller stitches on curves for better control and a cleaner result. After completing the first layer, add more layers of stem stitch to sections where the letters need to be thicker. This will create bold down strokes similar to calligraphy. Go over these areas multiple times with the stem stitch to gradually build up the thickness. Each layer of stem stitch will add depth and boldness to the lettering. hope you've learned the stem stitch and are ready to apply it to your embroidery pattern. When working with a stem stitch, remember to adjust the length of your stitches depending on whether the line is curvy or straight. Thank you for stitching along.